What's up guys, it's your boy Classified Coffee and welcome back to another YouTube video. Now today, let me just explain first off. Well, there's a whole big truck. Yeah, my bad for the noise, but as I was saying, now today I left home walking go down the road. Pretty much, I believe y'all should see the next video, which is tasting Jelly Belly. So I kind of went for that as well. Yes, and I know I'm saying, y'all probably saying, what do you mean by as well? But yeah, just know that there are videos coming where I'm taste testing stuff for the first time. Because Jelly Belly, which is the other vlog which is the previous vlog, I hope, is a snack that I tasted for the first time. Literally the first time. But coming back up, walking back up from like the stretch now, rain started to fall. Like I saw the rain, That's a crazy thing. Yeah, my hair kind of wet. My hair been growing, so that's good too. That's great. Because I had it like twisted. But yeah. Walking back up, going up the stretch, the rain started to fall. And I kind of get soaked. So let's see in the other vlogs after this. Yeah, I kind of walking the dress up. But let's see in the other vlogs if I catch a cold or not. Yeah, my glasses. I can't really wear glasses if you're walking in the rain. And for those of us, yeah, not those of us, those of y'all that can relate, the people that wear glasses, it's tough. Because once the water hit the lens, you gotta struggle to wipe it off, and then it's blurry and then the water's still on the lens. Well, that's if you have like a wet jersey like this. Look at the amount of water on the lens, and then my jersey soaked too, so it's not like I can wipe off. At a crossroad, always look both sides before crossing the road. I'm teaching y'all safety, kids. Although this channel isn't really made for kids, but based on the YouTube stuff, yeah. But I've been walking home at the moment, all the way up the stretch. Whole place is soaked. That's what she said. I don't know. My voice kind of hoarse. Not because I had a cool on nothing, but I've been shouting, speaking for a good while. 3 minutes. Let's see if we can make our vlog out for this. If you're seeing this content, why the heck did I get scared? There's water dripping down there. I thought it was some crab or some type of squall or something. But we don't have squall in Grenada, I don't think. No. But I thought it was some creature. Because it was dropping down and he was like, shh. Like, wait, what the heck? Making a noise. Photo. Fix that. Inside what is there? Well, that is pretty much the back of it. Oh my wind. Wait, let's get wind pin. I think that is when wind in other parts of your body or something, in between the organs, but I don't even know. So I should probably research that. What is wind pain? How do you get it? How do you stop it? Because I don't want the moment. Watch how wet outside is. And I'm here walking up drenched in water. I don't know what accent this was, but I'm pretty much drenched in water at this moment. Nah, let me stop. But yeah, I'm drenched in water because I had to walk up the entire stretch in the rain. That's us. I don't want to walk too close to that bush because it look like they poison it. If you all could see. trees both sides before crossing the road, and then yeah, have the drains, mad water. You also the truck up there. And now I'm almost home. Well, not almost. Still have a good walking to do. But yeah. Are they stopping here? I believe so. Okay, guys, and this is how the drain looks. Bro, why is this man driving so slow? Faster than that. Come on. Man can't drive what? But yeah, this is how the drain looks. Mad. Full of water. And I'm still soaked, by the way, so yeah. And the crazy thing too is, hold on, let me see if I can do this. I'm wearing white. Literally wearing white. So, that life. And then as I said before, with the water on the lens, it's blurry. So you can still obviously see, like I can literally watch the water. But I can still see. Just weird. Bro, I find these men be driving around crazy when I said with them. Huge cotton tree. There's some cocoa by the side here. And yeah. Bye guys. For now. Alright guys. Just rush come up the hill. Y'all. If y'all enjoyed the video, I don't know. It was a short, concise video, because it's pretty much me just walking up in the rain. But yeah, if y'all enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Holy goodness, I need glasses here, but I take my glasses and I'm seeing good. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let's get to 100 subscribers, or at least 300 subscribers by the end of the year. 200, yeah, let's say 200. In 2 months, I should be subscribing. At least 100. Let's give it 100 by the end of the year. If y'all want Vlogmas videos and stuff, leave a comment or like, subscribe so I can know. Yeah.